Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe to my channel or give this video a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So we make our own concrete gate posts then. So we make these frames, with we weld the hinges on and weld some rebar on. So we have these T pieces, you put rebar each side and hinge on it. I've got loads of these to do, so I found some bits of scrap now, offcuts. I'm going to try to make myself a little jig so I can slot it down like that. I'm going to cut this off and weld it on the bottom, so you just lay this on the bottom and that'll be square and just weld them up each side and away with them. So save a lot of time setting up and all that. It'll be all bang on and everything the same. So yes, I'll film a bit of this then. I'll show you one of the frames now then. Okay. So this is a frame from last time. See, you just weld the T-piece together, then you weld both sides rebar on, and you go weld. I've got a jig already to hold this up so I can hold it straight for welding this, but I need to make a jig now for actually making this. Speed it up a bit. So that's the frame with two of these now, and then you set this in concrete, and then you put another two bars just separate the seat side just to strengthen it all up. And you grind the galvanizing off here where you're welding in, but it's say the concrete comes to here, so it's galvanized from there up sort of thing, so it doesn't rust on the outside then. Okay, so I've made the jig now. I cut a chunk of channel iron, the same piece, and welded the bottom, so we had a flat piece and go back to it and squared it there, welded it just on the sides there because I didn't want any welding in here, so this fitted in. So these are actually offset, so you put this in and it's just flush there on the edge there, and that means this is halfway, and you just slot this in and it's square in and weld it up, take it out, away. So I won't be very long doing the rest of them. So I've got all these cut ready. That's thick, I stacked them. I just, well, to start off, I welded this, tacked it so it's square, and then used it to line these up and line that up. And so just tacked these on, really. It doesn't need to be that strong. Well, strong enough. I can't move them like there. So, and I don't want it to be too tight, so you can actually get it out, but it's pretty much square and it's bang on. Well, just put it in, weld it up, and it will all be the same then. So thank you for watching, and goodbye from me for now then.